So buckle up, subscribe, and join us on this wild ride through Car Theft Chronicles, The Great Escape. Get ready to experience the thrill, the suspense, and the ultimate satisfaction that awaits. Remember, hit that subscribe button if you're ready to be hooked from start to finish. Let's embark on this exhilarating journey together.
Can who move his car? In just a second, give us a second.
Well, what the? Y'all holding us up.
Sometimes when I live on a 12
the whole time. Now you want to leave because we
over to a Rudolph, invalid, no valid.
Okay, just relax. We're going to get out your way in just a minute, I promise.
This is the moment Chamblee police officers confronted a male suspect after the officers observed him getting out of a stolen vehicle.
Sir, you got an ID on you?
Me?
Yeah.
What y'all need my ID?
Can I check it out real quick?
What I did? What y'all need my ID for?
Because I saw you get out this car.
Bro, that ain't my car, bro. You saw me walk by that car, bro. I've been here with her, bro.
I was sitting right there and watched you step out of this car.
Bro, I've been right here.
Where's your driver's license at? You got any weapons or drugs on you?
Man, I don't even got no weapon. They're gonna drive license right there,
Appreciate
bro.
it.
I ain't, y'all talking about
All right, come over here for me. This your car, right? You just got out of it.
I ain't got out of that car,
Bro, we both sat there and watched you jump out the car.
How y'all?
We saw you drive down this way, and you came right here, parked, and got out the car and walked up to her. We're not gonna keep playing this game because I saw you get out the car.
Bro, I've been talking to this girl the whole time.
Okay, that's fine.
Got the driver's license. I ain't did nothing wrong.
That's fine.
Go ahead.
The suspect continues to insist that he didn't get out of the car, even though the officers had watched him drive the car into the car park and attempt to flee the scene in another car after he'd seen the officers approaching him.
Come over here, man. Right here.
If they saw you get out this car, bro, and you saying you get out this car, that's a problem.
My witness right there.
Okay, that's a problem. That's a problem.
My witness right there, though.
I hear what you're saying. I'm gonna stand right over here, bro.
Hold up, man. Hold up.
Bro,
Stay right there. Stay right there.
You got weapons on you? I ain't going nowhere,
Wash
bro.
your
I ain't
hands,
did nothing, bro. Hey, watch
y'all grabbing me like this?
Get out of this car, man.
Bro, you just pulled in the parking lot.
We were sitting right there. I watched you drive around, come right here, back in, and you got out the car.
Now, lying to an officer's one thing, and there's little chance of you getting away with that. But calling an officer a liar, especially when he has his body cam on, that's where you draw the line.
Hey, don't reach for nothing.
Don't reach for nothing, man. That's illegal, bro.
Don't touch.
I ain't did nothing, bro.
Nothing. Put your hand. Don't you move.
I ain't even did nothing, bro. Y'all walked up on me for no reason.
Put your hand behind your back for me. You're just being detained, okay? You're not under arrest.
What y'all walked up on me for, bro?
We're gonna explain it to you, because you don't understand.
The suspect was later apprehended after the officers had found a gun and a key to the stolen car on him. But if you think that the suspect will just accept defeat and confess to his crimes now, that's because you have no idea how stubborn and delusional criminals are.
He got cash in his left pocket. I left it in there. You got nothing else, right?
I'm trying to see what right y'all had to just walk up on me, bro.
Oh, this is you.
So what you want to know?
I'm trying to figure out why they messing with me, bro.
Nobody's messing with you.
I was with the girl, bro. I'm standing there with the girl, bro. I watched you pull in the parking lot.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. All right, you gonna keep it straight with you, right?
Yeah, I ain't did nothing, bro.
How did you get here?
Bro, with her, bro. Listen here, bro.
Stop.
He's saying the car. He's saying the car.
You gotta switch on this.
He does. That's what that is.
Jesus Christ.
That's exactly what that is.
The officers then proceeded to search the car where they found weapon parts and drugs.
Oh, he got weed in there? Oh, okay. Well, we searching anyway, so. Now I'll take care of that so you ain't gotta do no damn search warrant.
I think that was out of his stuff, right?
Yeah, it was in his pocket. Yeah, he's got a debit card, looks like with a Cash App type thing. So I don't know if you might can get something from that or whatever. I mean, he's doing internautos in this, but Bowmore, he was back then. Okay.
The suspect was later arrested and charged with possession of a Schedule 1 and Schedule 11 controlled substance, theft by receiving stolen property, possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony, and possession of a felony. He was also charged with possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, possession of drug-related objects, possession of certain weapon parts, possession of methamphetamine, and possession of marijuana. But guns and drugs aren't the only things criminals lie about.